Welcome to the introduction to Empower Sheets. Empower Sheets is an add-in by Empower that is directly integrated in Microsoft Excel. It ensures that you have access to your company's up-to-date template styles and designs, and enables you to quickly build corporate design compliant Excel workbooks with next to minimal effort. So on the one hand, we have a menu that offers approved fonts, font sizes, as well as diverse colors for fonts, fill colors, line colors with different categories. And these can all be set up to be in line with your corporate design guidelines. The menu also provides access to all Empower features, like creating a new workbook from a template from the library, as well as adding assets and content from the library. In addition, we also provide you with frequently and typically used Excel controls, and essentially Empower Sheets gives you everything you really need to quickly format your Excel workbooks in a single convenient menu. Therefore, there will not be any shifting between different ribbon tabs, also no searching for particular functions in different submenus. The library allows you to quickly navigate the folder structure and to browse for templates and other available assets. You can also search for content in the entire library or filtering by a particular section of the library by entering a term in the search bar and limiting the search if required by all items in the library, a particular section within the library, or also a particular folder, or including all subfolders from within the library. Templates are stored to the library can range from empty workbooks that contain certain style presets, as well as individual tables and style cells, or also chart templates. Workbooks, however, can also contain complex multi-sheet calculation models, as well as project schedules, or even entire tools built with Excel containing VBA macros. Empower Sheets also ensures that exports such as CSVs from third-party systems are CD compliant. I have an export here that contains unformatted data and none of the style presets except for those that Excel provides them itself. Here we go. So this is just a native Excel at this point. And we need to make this export corporate design compliant. We can do so by loading different style presets from the library into my workbook. As a first step, I would like to assign a table style to my workbook. And to do so, I can click on the table style button and then add a particular table style from the side pane to the library, to the workbook. Here we go. Now, if I format this data to be a table, we can now go ahead and apply the new table style to the table I've just created. So using the quick access pane, we can select a single table style or even a group table style, depending on how they've been saved to the library, to my workbook to then continue formatting using the corporate design guidelines. So now it is then again accessible in the table styles section as a custom table style. table styles are great for displaying data in a regular manner. So we do have abundant columns if they have been set up as such. We are able to also add total rows and so on. However, what if we want to visualize or highlight a certain section of the table or add additional formatting? This is where cell style sets come in. In Empower Sheets, we can load cell styles into the workbook we're working on, also from the library. So here we can select the cell style section, and we can go ahead and add a whole set of tables, cell styles to my workbook by either double clicking or of course clicking apply. And then again, these cell styles are then available to me as custom cell styles. And I can now go ahead and highlight certain sections of my table. I can also go ahead and define certain text as a footer. And I can also give my table a particularly formatted title. Table heading. Right. In Empower Sheets, we can load cell styles and cell style sets from the library, and we can also have different sets for different purposes as they are titled here in the library itself. Double clicking the set, as we saw, will then add it to my workbook, and it is then possible for me to format my workbook according to corporate design guidelines. Finally, if we want to further visualize our data with corporate design compliant charts, we can do so by also loading them from the library. The best way to do so is to select, first of all, the data range we want to display, and then opening the side pane or adding the chart styles from the library, and then selecting a chart style that we want to display our data in. In this case, I'm going to select a bar chart. As we see here, the data is now visualized as the desired bar chart. So by clicking the charts button, either in the menu or again in the side pane, we can navigate to the desired section in the library to then add these assets to our current workbook. Finally, I can also change the chart type at any time by selecting the chart we want to convert and then selecting a different chart type. And this time I'm going to select the column chart and then again clicking apply. This will then allow the chart to switch in accordance to my current selection. This concludes our very brief overview of our Empower Sheets. We are looking forward for you to try out these features, and if you have any feedback, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.